Hey, all of you beautiful souls. I think oftentimes subliminal creators and self-help gurus get caught up in this egotistic or prideful, like divinely chosen mindset, or I am here, for some divinely God purpose that makes me better than everyone. But when you have an open mind, I just wanted to show people the power of an open mind. When I go to the Seiluke top videos, this is the creator studio on YouTube. When I go to the top viewed videos or the top performing videos, the number one video was actually a community request. Somebody left a comment requesting this video. Somebody left a comment requesting this video. Someone left a comment requesting this video and this video. Four out of the top five videos, 1,000 likes, 700, 1,000, 500, all of these videos were community requests except for one. Four out of five were requested by people in the comment section. This this one was, yes, it was a request. This one was a request. This one was a request. This was a request. This was a request. This is the power of an open mind, guys, and the mastermind, right? Masterminding together or keeping an open mind. And the more minds that come together, the better. I'm grateful to understand how to make subliminal affirmations after making 700 affirmations and always having the mindset to improve actually through those 700 subliminals. But this is the power of having an open mind, and I am beyond grateful for all of the requests that you guys made and helped to build this community. It was the community, the amazing community, that really built all of what the Seiluke channel is.